Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Consultant Mindset. Today's topic of our video is peace of mind. In a frantic world, a peaceful mind might seem like a friend you rarely have the chance to catch up with. But finding peace of mind is possible. Peace of mind is something that illustrates mental satisfaction. As you guys know, anxiety, depression, and other psychiatric illnesses are pretty prevalent these days. Their prevalence has become much higher than in the previous era. Peace of mind is described as that you are feeling at ease. You do not have stress or anxiety regarding anything in your life. Even if any problem appears, you face it with calm and composure. You do not stress about it. Even if you have the toughest difficulty over your head, you do not become anxious about it. But you face it with serenity and a calm mind. In this video, I will recommend some beneficial ways by which you can practice peace of mind. Before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Consultant Mindset. Let us get straight into it. Focus on positives. For mental peace, you have to think positively all the time. As it says that positive energy attracts positivity. So you got to be doing it to ensure your mental health is fine and working. In today's world, we face criticism on so many things. Some people are being criticized for their skin color. Some are being criticized for their body shapes and whatnot. It is a kind of bullying. But if you continue to think about those negative comments, you are not going to get anywhere in life. In fact, in these cases, a person should pity those critics. Such critics want to become higher by showing you low. Do not stick to things. Like if someone did bad to you, then you start to plan about taking revenge for it. This is a sort of parasite that eats your own body. It does not harm anyone else, but it harms the person itself. Let go of things not because you are weak. Let go of them just because of your internal peace. We have many important tasks in this world apart from holding grudges against people. Always think about good things. You radiate what you absorb. Try to see the bright side of everything. If you incline yourself towards a darker side, you are always going to end up in depression. So try to think about all the good things that happen to you or that are going to happen to you. Just hope for the best. Acceptance. Acceptance is one of the greatest tools in controlling your emotions and internal peace. Whenever something bad happens to us, sometimes we cannot force ourselves to accept that specific situation. Everything requires time. We can mourn in our saddest moments, but we cannot bring back what we lose. It is just the same if you lose a person you love the most in your life. It is hard to move on from that specific person. You miss him/her, but you know that whatever you do, they are not going to come back to you. At that point, when you crave them, you feel helpless and powerless. Not being able to do something for your loved one smashes the chest. At this point, you should realize that there is no other way than to accept that he or she is gone now. You should realize that there is nothing that you can do now against the will of the Supreme Lord. Everyone has to go someday. You should think about the possible positive scenarios that he or she must be in the best place. Just accept what already happened to you. Accept your vulnerable side. It will give you internal peace and calmness of heart. You will be a lot better after this acceptance. Be at ease and calm your heart masses. Spend alone sometimes. Every human being needs some space to get themselves together. Being around lots of people can be destructive and chaotic sometimes. It ruins your mental peace. For example, if you go to college and you have a group of friends, those friends keep gossiping to you about other people. And the most difficult part is whether you like that gossip or not. You gotta be bearing it. 'Cause you cannot say anything as they are your friends. After this time, you gotta spend some time alone to work on yourself. Working alone can help you do even better. It increases your tolerance and patience level. So just space yourself out and think about yourself for some time. Work on your mental state. For better mental health, it is necessary to spend some time solely. Take a vacation or holiday alone on some hill station. It will help you regain and refill your energy. Instead of worrying about specific things, consider parting yourself for some time. So you can be at peace. At last, I must say mental peace is necessary to pull up any task. Nowadays people have every bounty of this world, but they do not have mental peace. This mental peace is not something that can be bought with money. It can be gained from your good deeds. When you know you are on the right path, you automatically become composed and serene. That is all for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Bye bye.